Itunga luko kwap kaisde Esialamikin ai na petanwi kamna kada Isaac na kada itogoi empilo ke bukulo ko kabere maido Alfred edakasi elalunges da buda kisipejok ireria iche kanu kada Isaac shaun kada ajenun ajo kisho kada ajo kisonu kamna kada Isaac na kada itogoi era sai kaisa uni olapalo pelong ebete district loko kabere maido aitege ai na petanu kabo Isaac itogoi idaringani swamauna akotober ajenun kameja situnga ikulape kotom norera ike arejas achokisho mi kamna kada Isaac itogoi Charles Elamu loda yata kirono Isaac itogoi kotom no district loko kabere maido ngesda buko limnu.
We have found from the community response that they appreciate IRS programs or in those praying with a few of the issues as they look at as challenges. One is the concerns of the members of the households who have asthma, and then sometimes the information that they get for them to organize themselves to receive the spray the following day comes like a little late in some communities. The other one is on the issue of covering. Some of them are not convinced that when the spray team uses the cavera to cover their food items or other items in the house and then shortly they remove and take away, they don't feel contented that their foodstuffs or other items have been protected from the insecticide. The other thing is the issue of impotence. Some of them still believe that the insecticides that we use to spray the houses cause impotence. Only those gaps there, they need to be educated on.
Alfred dakasi ngesda buki sisha kamedi jasi tunga lopot kinorta kiroke nuda egitigita kubala kwana
mepo kotandarwa kede mesiko ude tieke la loka ikom joma berema domi opoyo government piketo sete i program ni adoko kwawe emed keto sete mewek program ni nyai otika bera papada
konya itunga chelo ko kwap kesda balas da ebe Isaac na kaitogoi nesda ejo
siko ude gia tia gia ber sana igia mekelo newa ekele ne wa youth kum emiye wa duoko tie piny me malaria giomi anga sapati ngasiko ude duoko malaria piny piena udo malaria tie ne waditot sana do malaria nane sawa nilia tie ditot
augeno anywala tena no na chiko dwere kanyango polia terebe nyoya mokete malaria
upikom siko bir yan magege na me udo peke tie ukilo luoro na japa bale pongai yaduli ribo kere megara me pacho do siko bir mere kidi utanyim jodo ko gen bugo ilain
akome siko bir amanga neno te challenges mogo ame mako ipongai apodi tichino ame podlium opoko mieregi so kai neno jotel ma Apugan bala wan VHS code so doko bino kanimo imaro pangwa twale ko siko ude so ikare magege mare ko bedo kre tax force ame ateni mere okodo mino gi sensitization puonyo ge pone mebero mesiko bir ame nane sawa ni gitie siko amanga puoyo bero ma Apugan okelo kede gege chomota mabedo rach dolu bongi dide
Michael Onyinge TV is Kokabere Maido District.